All right, guys, so let's get started. Make sure, yes, you will do your attendance somewhere around here. Make sure you do this form. Yeah, I checked it yesterday because I told you so many times that we do the attendance at the end of the semester. Yeah, I mean, sorry, at the end of every month. And of course, if you absent 3 consecutive classes, then I need to pay attention. Yeah, so make sure you give me your attendance. What I do is I go to the form and then I filter your name. Yes. So if I see like somebody is absent extensively, then we need to talk. Yeah. Okay. So today we are going to go into, here we go. Excel. Yes. And we're doing, going to do Excel 1 and 2. So you go to your, where's the team? Go to your teams. Yeah. Go to the file. And you're going to download, here is your Excel 1, 2. So the very first assignment is you're going to use this Tokyo Olympic symbol data set. Yeah. And then you're going to download this Excel worksheet exercise PDF. Yeah. Go ahead and download this to your computer. Yeah. Download is there and then download is right there. And you're going to get this. Yes. And of course, I will open this Excel sheet for you here. So, okay, so the very first data set looks like this. Yeah, so you're gonna have exercise is just we're gonna use a PDF. Don't worry about this. This is from the old semesters. I can delete that thing. So it just telling you that we will use this PDF, which is here. Yeah. So the very first one is this. Okay. So managing worksheets and workbooks is your Excel 1. And of course, we're going to use a Tokyo Olympic data set. And that 2 files are under files in our team, T101. Yeah, go ahead and download that. And you're going to do this exercise. Yeah, so we have 1 hour for this, and then of course 45 minutes for this little thing. So the very first one is your worksheet. So you're going to create and rename the worksheet, and you're going to follow blah 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 blah, yeah, all the way down, and then do this. Yeah, exercise. You're going to create a worksheet named gold medalist. Yeah, move it to the first position, and then you're going to rename that to the worksheet to the top countries, and then copy the top countries worksheet, and then name and copy the backup data. Yeah, you will do it right inside of that Excel that I give it to you. Okay, so delete the backup data in the worksheet and then save your workbook as Olympics analysis.xlsx. Protect that workbook with a password and then reopen it. Okay, so let's get started, and I am going to give you until 4 o'clock, yeah, to finish. Yes, the very first one, yeah. So if you finish it really fast, then we will move on to the second one. All right, let's get started. If you have a question, ask me now. Yes, so who is this? Savannah. Yeah, it would be better like if you put your name on the sheet, yes, attendance sheet. So if you haven't done it, so you just go ahead and do it. I know for the fact that you attend the class, yes. So therefore, of course, I know, like just make sure to put your name on that sheet, yes, because that's the official attendance document. All right, let's get started. And if you have a question, raise your hand, and I'm going to be right here. Yeah. make sure you're doing it in Tokyo Olympic data set Excel, okay? So this means like open the Excel workbook, meaning like that, or Tokyo Olympic Excel, which is this guy right in here, you know, this one. So here is your worksheet. See this little new sheet? Yep. So that's where your exercise is going to start. Yeah, click on the little plus icon next to the existing worksheet, tabs at the bottom of the Excel sheet right here. Okay. All right. So the first exercise is very easy. Yeah, make a new sheet and rename. Rename as a medal summary. So this is just showing you how to do it. Right click on the worksheet tab and then click rename and then type that name in and then press enter. Yes, Carter, we're just talking about, cause sorry, I was answering the phone from the person. So this is your assignment for today, okay? So Excel 1 and 2. So the very first one is you're working on a worksheet. And your file is in your team, which is the same place where your files are right in there, okay? So you will go to Excel 1, 2 folder. you are going to download these two files. Okay. And don't do this. Okay, I don't know who did this. This is wrong. Do not, yeah, destroy the original file. Okay, so original file is named Tokyo Olympics sample data. Yeah. Do not touch this to original file. Okay, you will download it by yourself. Here is the little 3 button that you can be able to download, and you will work in your own computer. Don't work in it. This is the original data file. Okay, so if you download it, you can be able to open it, yes, from your download folder, and you will get the same file like this. Okay, and here are the worksheet. Okay, so if you do enable editing, you can edit it. So this is what we call the worksheet inside of the workbook Excel. Even though we call the Tokyo Olympics sample data as an Excel worksheet, in reality, this is a I will call it a book containing, you can put thousands and thousands of sheets inside of one single Excel file, and that is the power of Excel. But a lot of the people are using only one single sheet in a in a single workbook, okay, Excel workbook. So this exercise is going to teach you how to use these sheets, okay? How to rename it, how to delete it, how to move it. So that's what you are doing, which you have already, practiced, Excel 1 and 2 in your tutorial videos, okay? So the tutorial videos are for you to play your application on your own time. This is a class assignment that you have to do, sort of like an assessment for you. So follow what you have to do, which is in this PDF, folder that I just give it to you. So when you go there, you're gonna see here, Excel worksheet exercises. You can also download it. Do not delete or do not update the file. That would confuse so many students. So just download it, and it's gonna you're gonna see the exact same file that I'm showing you here, and do the exercise from 1 all the way to the end of it in the Excel, okay, sheet, which is the Tokyo Olympic sample data.
So for like the new worksheet, do you want us to copy the data from the Tokyo Olympics or no, just create the new worksheet?
You will create the new worksheet right here. Creating meaning this little icon. So if
Will
you
you want us
read,
to put like any information or anything on it or no? Because I did all of that already. I just wanted to ask just in case.
you've got to follow the information. The information is click on the plus icon. So that's
Okay,
how you, yeah,
if I
and
did all that
then,
already.
yeah. So do these things, okay? Go all the way down.
And then for the password, do you want us to give you the password or just create it and just add it there?
You will have to give me the password, yes. So
Okay.
you can create a Word file and then put your name on it. That's a password for my workbook, so I can go in and take a look at it.
Okay. Or do
Or
you mind comment?
or just don't lock it. Don't do number 6. So
Okay.
that would make everybody, yes, easy to do it. But at least you should know how to lock your Excel, yeah. So that's under review. So when you go to review, you're gonna see the password, yeah. Protect the sheet, protect the workbook. You can be able to lock it with your own password. So if you know that where to go, then of course you don't have to do it. So yeah, don't do number 6. So it will make it easier for us to yes, look at your assignment to grade you, yeah.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
good job, good job.
And then once we're done with this, just wait till you give us the other assignment.
Yes, this should be done like if you're really like if you're doing the homework, yes, your own, it shouldn't take a long time. You should finish it in like a 15 minutes. Okay, once you finish it, you can continue the second part, yeah? The second part is going to be managing your data cells and the ranges. You're going to use the same data set, yeah? So go ahead and do from 1 all the way to the end.
Okay, I see it there. Thank you.
Yeah, good job, good job.
And then once we're done with this, is there anything else that we have to do today?
Yeah, we have another one. Yeah, so this is
Okay.
I yes, I gauge it about 1 hour for this and another 45 minutes for this.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, the only thing I want you guys to do is when you name it, make sure you put your name in it. Yeah. So this is our default file name. So that way that I know that you are the student who did it. So make sure you give me you give me your name, okay, and my name here, yeah, in the file. So I put it in the chat. How to name and save your workbook. So instead of Tokyo Olympics data, make sure you add your first or last name in front of Tokyo, yeah. So that way I know that is you, and upload it to your where is it, the Excel 1.2 folder. So make sure you upload it right here. Yeah. So I should see your stuff. So Savannah's already finished. That's good. And make sure you put your name like that. Yeah. Look at how she did this. Okay. And upload it here. And don't touch my files. Okay. Don't delete any of that. This is for the if the student misses it, they still need it. Yeah.
And for part two, are we still working in the Tokyo Olympics?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So same data set. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Mm. So make sure you check all of this, okay? Gold medalist, and then we're going to rename top countries, okay? And then you're going to copy the top countries, and then you're going to name that copy file as a backup data. And then you're going to delete that backup data, yes? And then you're going to save it as this. So that's a next one that you're going to do. So you owe me actually, yeah? Uh, this file, yeah? So whichever way that you want to do it, I should just go back and delete this. I copied the wrong thing here. Okay, sorry. And then of course you put your name right here. Name. Okay. And don't do number 6. Otherwise, I'll have to figure out what your password is and I can open it to grade. And those of you who are done, continue with the second part, yeah, managing your data cells and ranges. So this time you're going to work on the cells and then ranges.
I have a question. I'm on number 2, formatting data, but I can't find number format anywhere.
All right, so formatting data is you're gonna first change the cell format, yeah? So cell format is right click and then you're gonna see the format. So I will show you, yeah? So if you go to here, you're gonna see like, see click on it and then right click and then you're gonna see format cells right in there.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. And when you get to the sum, yeah, so this is a summation here. We have only up to 93, I believe. So make sure that your range is going to be F, let me see, is going to be F. The starting point is actually 7. Yeah. So when you look at the F, you're going to see bronze. So our table start from F7. This got to be F7 to 7 to go all the way to F 7 to 99. Yeah. So this got to be 7 to 99. But this is from the old Excel sheet. So let me just put that in the chat for you. So this got to be F7 to 99 because the way that we build the table is a little bit off from the old book. And then we do the same thing for this guy, yeah, which is going to be you're finding the max is going to be is your function here, and that is also the range got to be 7 all the way to 99. $100 is with our old data, yeah, old data table.
Professor, I'm having issues trying to filter by like the top 10 rank. So I'm on the
Yes.
second part, but where it says sorting and filtering data. I'm
Mm-hmm.
trying to figure out how to do like the rank by total and select the top 10 ranks. Like I'm not sure. So I clicked on the header and then clicked on filter, and then I went to number filters
Mm-hmm.
and then custom filter.
Yeah, so if you go to this one is the team NOC. So in that column, so you scan it all the way down, yeah, down all the way to the.
I can't see it. So
So when it said top 10, all right, teams, so you gotta yes think about okay which one is identifying like top 10, is that the gold or the silver or the bronze? Yeah, so it's got to be the gold because silver and bronzes are in rank is going to be, yeah. But then of course you can also go all the way to the rank by total. See that rank by total, and also you can use the total, you know, see the points right there. So your filter got to be, yes, choose the column. Either you can go by rank by total or rank by the rank by total. Okay, so wait a minute,
yeah,
where am
so
I? Yeah,
I'm
here,
at rank
see.
by
So
total.
you can, yeah, you can either go filter with this or this, and if you filter yes the highest one, then you can get the top 10, and here is already there, yeah, the rank, yes.
Okay. So then I shouldn't have to worry about that one because it's already there. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
you should at least practice how to filter the top 10 by using this data column, yeah, which is your total. So that
Okay.
way we understand that the highest is this guy, yeah, which is United States of America.
But when it say change, you have to change the name from A to Z. So when you do that, it doesn't change the numbers.
Yeah, yeah. A to Z is because of the data type. Yeah, data type is going to be text. If the text is a data type, then we use when you sort it. Yes.
No, no, because in the instructions it says
You
sort that
go
column
see.
from A to Z. Yep.
Yeah. You can also do the custom list, yeah, going into that. But it is better that we use a filter instead of the sorting. Yeah. But of course,
Okay.
this data set has already been sorted in this two column, yeah. So that's why the top 10 is really easy for this data set. You don't really have to do because it's not a jumbo or mixed data. It's already been in order, yeah.
Okay. All
Mm-hmm.
right. Thank you.
Yep, yep.
And how do you want to say the name for it?
You want you do the same thing, yes. You can use the one that I put it in the chat. Make it like name and then Olympics analysis 2 or something.
Okay.
Yep,
All right. Thank you.
yep.
And I have a question because where it says calculate the total number of medals won by all countries. Do you
Yes.
want us to do the totals column or the bronze column? Because the totals column is G, not F.
Which one? This one?
Number 4.
Number four is you're practicing only, like this function, which is sum. So even if we say like calculate the total number of medals won by all countries, you will have to choose the entire, let me show my stuff.
So
So yeah,
these
do
are
do
like the
do do
column.
the
So
do
each column
like
by itself.
column, yes, a column by column, yes, because
Okay.
it's a metal. This doesn't really define gold or, yeah, silver or bronze, so we have to do all of it, yes.
Okay. Thank
Mm.
you.
So your average, I mean, like, sorry, your sum is going to be right here, yeah.
Okay. Okay, quick question. You see at the bottom where it says find the highest number of gold medals won by a country? It's C7. It's supposed to be D7, right? So it's D7 and D99, right? I think your mic is muted.
Yeah, here. So it's going to be D7 to D99 for gold, okay? So
Okay, yep. I was just
if you
double
look
checking.
at, yeah, that's just because we're using the old
Oh,
data
sheet.
set, yeah, old
Mm-hmm.
sheet. So the new sheet has the table is shifted. See, like one column shifted. Is actually it was started from A in the old sheet. Now we have moved it to the B. So yeah, one column is shifted.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So Carter, what do I do once I'm done with the Excel one? Excel one, yeah, once you're done with the Excel one, you're gonna move on to the second one. Yes. So you go to where's my team? Here. So go to your team file and then go to the second one. Yes. So you go right here and then go to Excel 3.4. Yeah. And download the same thing. So we have engineering and manufacturing sample data. Download it. Don't mess up my stuff here. Just download. Okay. And download your own copy. And then download this PDF. Yeah. Excel functions exercise. Download right here. And do not do anything on my file, and then you're gonna get this. Yeah, use that data set and then you will practice some of the function that you can do, yeah, in Excel. There are thousands of functions inside of the Excel sheet, so you're gonna practice a couple of function right here from 1 all the way to 5. Do that, yeah, and I'll upload it under 3.4. Don't upload it in 1.2, upload it in 3.4, which is here into this folder. Okay, right there. This is next week. Of course, we're going to have a second exercise for 3-4, and then we will get into 5 after the midterm, yeah, because we are going to lose one midterm week. So therefore, next week I'm going to give you Excel 3, 4, and 5, yeah. So we start the Excel 3 today, and then 4 and 5 I will give you next week. Because we have a midterm coming out after, so let me take a look at the schedule. Where is it? So if you look at the schedule, you're gonna see the midterm is yes, on March 10, yeah. So next week I'm gonna combine 3, 4, and 5 together. Yes, because this is only chart, so you can do it. And we are going to take the midterm on March 13, okay?
Once we're done with part 1 and 2, is there anything else you want us to do?
Part 1 and 2, you're gonna go to the Excel function, which is here, yeah, I just show Carter to do that. So go to Excel 3.4
Oh,
and
3, 4. Okay.
download, yeah, and after you finish it, you finish this, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So that's just a couple of function right here that you practice a VLOOKUP and the index. Of course, make sure this a range, okay? Range just stick to the new sheet. This is from the old sheet, but it's the same thing, same table. It's just one column has been moved.
I have another question. So for Excel 3 to 4, which datasheet are we using?
Excel 3 to 4, you are using, go to this folder, yeah, Excel 3 4 folder. So you're gonna see engineering and manufacturing sample data. Download this one, yeah. So that's the data sheet we're using, and here is your function exercise. So you will have something like this, yeah, this one.
It doesn't look like that for the
Yeah,
engineers.
exactly.
Oh, it's on the
Why?
first. It's on the first sheet. The first sheet at the bottom.
Oh,
So it says
It
exercises in
should look like this.
engineering.
Yeah, because
Yep,
there's
it
nothing but
does.
that. Yeah, okay. This
whoops.
is just an exercise. Yeah, this one is
Yep, at the
exercise.
bottom.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I'll give you the exercise so you kind of know, like you can copy, yes, like that if you want to. Yep. Of course, so for small businesses, you're gonna get, like your data set is gonna be very small. But for manufacturing in our field, yeah, the data set this is thousands, yeah, thousands and thousands. Some of them even break the Excel sheet like millions of data, historic data when we call it for 1 or 2 year. Yeah, sometimes they do quarter, yeah, one first quarter, second quarter, and then the third quarter. Sometimes they do annual. Yeah, so annual data sets are very very huge for you to parse it or mine it. Yeah, so data mining is usually done on the very powerful Excel. Of course, this is just a general Excel sheet that we have, but for a larger corporation, you're gonna have a headache. Yeah, even though you're doing only spreadsheet because of the extent of the data set. Yeah.
Do you want to change the F2 to F100 and the A?
Yes, yes, yes. That is again the data set is we move the table on this side, yeah. So just change it according to this data set.
Okay.
So V lookup is nothing but just a function that you can be able to see. Yeah, there's a range. So a little highlight window, yeah, scanner should show up like a little blue or yeah, so a red color in your Excel. So that's about it. There's nothing to it just is trying to look at it. Yeah, search or look up function. We call it look up. So it's not computing anything, only looking up.
Right.
Yeah, by putting a little, like filter on top of your table. That's about it. So there's no need to enter. If you enter, you will get yes a wrong, like cell, incorrect cell, so indicator will come up. So all you have to just type it in and just make sure that you can see the little scanner come up. That's about it.
Yep, I did.
Yep, good, good. Yes, Shaylin, we're doing exercise 3-4. Yeah, so I have some of the students already finished exercise 1-2, and we're gonna do the exercise 3-4. The first part. Next week we're gonna do the second part and Excel 5. Yeah, that's it for the Excel. Excel is all about data mining, and of course you gotta do a one table next week, building a table, meaning like you're making a data set like that. Yeah, because data entry is also another part of the Excel sheet. The data entry is a very important thing. In real life situation, we don't type in like that. Yeah, that's just a secretary job. We're doing a light office job. In industry, the data input is we have to automate it. Yeah, we gotta automate it. So you do an additional tab here for data handling. It's called data analysis, data we call it collection. Okay, so you have a more powerful command in your Excel and also macros. Yeah, so we also program. Yeah, you can be able to link the Excel to automation. There's another one. I don't know. Let me take a look if we have it here in MCC thingy. Let's see. Um, I believe they do have a Power BI here. Yeah, so let me see if they got it. To try to see like what kind of you got here at school. So anyway, so we automate, yeah. We automated. You have a little bit, I think, a not very powerful one, but see, Power Automate is right here. So what you do is you link this and then you link that one, okay? So that way you can be able to bring in the data straight into the Excel sheet, yeah. From your sensor, you can do it like if that's a manufacturing floor or consumer data like credit cards, yeah, financial. Oh my God, that's a lot of incredible amount of data. The government, yeah, the new government is, I mean, the new administration doing to go over all of the money, yes, department to department, and is yeah, so you're cleaning up the data like that because you have a data redundancy, meaning like you can clone this, yeah, capacitor C 20 into 1,000 of them, but it is showing only the one, yeah, data link SharePoint. So if they're a thief, right, a professional thief exists, they are usually the developer and the data analysis or whoever, yeah, having a control of that data, yes, a base. If they're evil, yes, money can be laundered in that way. Okay, so I don't even know what to say. Like everybody is skeptical about each other. Yes, so this side is skeptical about the other side is skeptical about this side. So we have no idea of who is the thief, right? So anyway, so what I want to say is like the database is a very huge thing, yeah. Why? Because the data, everything that is digital can be cloned, it can be manipulated, and can be tampered, yeah. And it's only a one click away, by the way. So that's the reason why you have to delete the redundant data, yeah. Redundancy is a very important thing. So instead of sending $1,400 to person A, if you have like a duplicate of person A about 4 times, times that amount of money is losing. Okay. So anyway, so that is a crime in the digital world. Yeah. Which again is based on this data sheet like this. Yeah. Here is so we have a little general Microsoft Office Excel data analysis tool right here, but of course the real thing is going to be, yeah, is going to be more complicated than this.
Do we have for number 5 for 3 and 4? Do we have to sort the list or is it already sorted?
Which one?
For exercise 3 and 4 for number 5.
Exercise 3-4 is practicing the function. Yeah, so as long as you know how to write the function, it's okay. So number 5 is just the sorting and the filtering. Again, we use a sort function instead of the data sort. So you're gonna sort. It doesn't have to be this row. Okay, you can be able to so scanned any yes, a column is fine. Again, we're just practicing this sort function. Yeah.
Okay, and you want us to say that as
Remember, like we did the sort and filter, yes, in the
yeah.
other, yeah, but now you're gonna type
No, I
it.
just how to do
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Yep, I did it already. I'm done with that one.
No,
I was just
okay,
saying
yeah.
like the name you want to say that as engineering and manufacturing, and then just our name.
Manufacturing and put your name on it, yeah, upload it, and that's it for today, yeah, for you. Yeah, very good job, really fast, yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Alrighty, so I'm all set. You have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Bye. All right, so let's see the chat and Robinson. Is there supposed to be an Excel file available for practice 3 and 4? I can only access. Yes, there is. It is in there. Yeah, there I just uploaded for you. Did you accidentally delete it or something? It's in there in the file. Yeah, when you go to the file, you are going to see. All right, right here. Yeah. So here, like some students are putting, see, like I told you, don't do it. So make sure that you rename it and don't put the number. Yeah, I put the number for the original file is so you can find, the student can find the data file. Yeah. If yeah, make sure you delete the number one, yeah, from the top, so that way other people don't have to look for it. Okay, so here, so engineering and manufacturing sample data, that's the original file. Yeah, here student they forget to delete this on number one right there. I'm gonna put them down here. Yeah, so make sure when you rename it, do not include number one. Yeah, just get rid of it. Just make sure you're gonna name it just a regular name, which is I'm gonna just copy it for you, so that way. So make sure you name it like with your name and ME name, and then that fine. Okay. So name like that dot XLSX. So that way. Uh, we don't have to set the password, Denny's, for this exercise, okay? Because if you set the password, I can't open it. So, and you're gonna have to give me your password. So if you wanna set the password, okay, your practice is going to be, let me just open this thing for you. So let's say like you have an Excel here. If you want to set the password, you are going to go, okay, my file is opening on this side, I didn't know. It is under review. Yeah, here, see, protect the sheet and protect the workbook. So if you go in there, you can be able to set the password right here. Yeah. So if you set the password, other people cannot be able to open it. However, Excel is a very old application. Yes. So even though you put the password, we know how to open it. Yeah. So this password is not very good, by the way. Even it's very easy to hack it. Hack mean like break your password. Yeah. That is because people get frustrated and when you put the password and your supervisor cannot open it. So the way to break this password, exit password, is incredibly, yes, is very easy and available all over, all over the internet. So anyways, anybody can do it. So don't do that password. Yeah. If we want to yes, protect the Excel, we usually encrypt it, yeah, with a different way of doing it without using the review tab, yeah. All right, the next person is, who is this? So Amy. Some of the function ain't working when I input them. Which one is not working? Everything should be working. Oh, NA, that is, I just explained that to you. Yeah? So the very first function is only to look up and search. They are not they're not a computational function. So if you put that in a highlighted window, usually with a little blue color or yellow or a pink color, right? Depends on the Excel version you've got, it's going to show up. And so that NA meaning like do not click enter on your keyboard, yeah, because that's just a look up or search function. You can also use, of course, a filter, yeah. It's exactly the same as your Control F in your Word, yeah. Well, you can also do the Control F and Control R in your Excel as well, but if you want to see the entire range, we use that function, the very first one, yeah, look up function. Robinson, is that supposed to be an Excel file? Yeah, I already answered that. To sort of already answered that too. Yeah, you cannot see it because some students are like putting the file without deleting number one. So this is the one, okay, the very first one. Download that. Yeah, so go ahead and share your screen for your count if. Yeah, count if is a very easy one. All you have to do is just scan a range, and then you put in count if. And of course, this range is just a simple range. Yeah, it's got to be the one that you're doing in your data sheet. And all we want to do is we want to count greater than 0. Yeah.
Okay.
So go ahead and
So
scan it.
screen
Yeah.
recording, yeah.
Where's your screen? Yeah, I can see.
All right, let me see. I'm trying to entire screen. There we go. Okay.
Right.
It won't let me share it.
Mm. Just click. Yeah, click it, and it's going to show you.
Yeah, this is the one. Entire screen. Share my. Oh, there it is. Okay. Share. Okay. So with the way it's going, so I go here
Mm-hmm.
and I put
I
in.
can't see it. Can you share your screen? Click share.
It says that it's sharing. Hold on, let me see. Stop sharing. And then let me try it again. Share. Share screen. Entire screen. Share. Can you see it now?
Mm. Oh, let me see. Why isn't it? Yeah, I can see it now. Yeah, yes. It's
Okay.
just
All right.
taking some
So
time.
when I so now I've got to change my letters because my letters are off from what the thing says.
Yes.
But when I put it in like the way you have it, so mine would be G2 to G100.
Mm.
It gives me this error.
Oh, that just if you read your error, yeah, it's the way you type it, yeah. So sometimes you gotta get around that. It's just a glitch right in there. You will have to put a apostrophe, yeah. So that little one first before
So
you
I
type that
tried
in, yeah.
putting an apostrophe there,
Mm.
and then all it does is it just puts the formula in the box.
I think yes. You might want to change your bracket. Yeah, I am seeing the different bracket at the end of it. Yeah, that's got to be the regular open. Yeah, open bracket.
Okay, so like, what did I do?
Mm. So if you're still like getting a yes the issue and it doesn't go through, you can click on help. You know why you're getting that error in your Excel. Sometimes there is an issue with the data. I don't know why it happens sometimes.
Yeah, like I don't know.
Yeah.
Like it won't even let me do like even if I were to
Mm.
like take the zero part
Yeah,
out.
that's okay. Yeah. If the
Like
That's okay. What we're doing is just try to input. I can see a little better right now. Okay, try to use the function, yeah, formula. So if doesn't, if you didn't get it, count if and giving you some issue, that's okay. You can skip that step, okay, and try it again
okay,
when you get a different data set. It just because of the table, yeah, sometimes it happens. But then
okay,
again, so the formula is is correct. Sometimes you're gonna need a, double quote. Sometimes you're gonna need a single quote. We usually use a double quote, yeah, for the account if. So try it when you're trying, and if the double quote isn't working, then you try the single quote, yeah, before the greater than 0. So sometimes
okay,
single quote is working, and sometimes double quote is working. Yeah. So
okay,
I want to show you like okay let me share my screen right now. So I have no idea why yours is not working. It shouldn't be doing like that. Yeah. Um. Okay. So here. Yeah. So if you look at it, see this. So we use a little double quote for this local. Yeah. So
yeah,
sometime if double quote isn't working, you can use the single one like that. Yeah. So that is what the error message is telling. Hey, double quote isn't working. Please use a single one. Yeah, of course, my Excel single quote is not working, but the double quote is working for this thing. Yeah. See, see
Okay.
the one that I just changed it and it's not giving me the problem. 'Cause it doesn't like this a little yes. So and you can also go to this help center. Yeah, it's gonna share you the same thing. So all I have to do is delete this single quote right here, and it should be good. Yeah. So mine is double quote is the one that is working. Yeah. All right. Good job. Good job.
Yes.
Make okay, so let's wrap it up. Yes, if you don't finish it right now, it's okay. All you have to do is when you finish it, make sure you put into the right folder. Yeah, so your Excel 3 4 is right in this folder, and then Excel 1 2 is going to be right in this folder. Yeah, make sure don't put the number 1 to your file when you save it, because that's just making this the exercise file to be at the top here. Yeah. All right. Make sure you put your name, yes, to your font, so that way I know that you turn in this. Okay. So make sure put into the correct folder. Yeah. So when I grade it, I get your file. All right. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna go ahead and stop this recording. Yeah. So before I forget this. Yep.